Giggle Town was famous for smiles, until something strange happened. A strange, boo-hoo-ha sound echoes. Kids whisper about a demon living near the old playground. Mayor Bell rings a bell in town square. Rico and Mila pack snacks, flashlight, and a toy trumpet. They reach the old playground. Swings move by themselves. A shadow jumps out, glowing eyes. Bloop trips over his own tail and falls. Bloop starts crying. Bloop explains he sneezes bubbles instead of fire. Rico smiles. Bloop performs silly dances and bubble tricks. A storm scares kids. Bloop makes glowing bubbles to light the town. Mayor gives Bloop a medal. Bloop waves goodbye from the playground.